Wagwan viewers, Wagwan subs. Welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Silk Boss and Foota hype. So gentlemen, if you're new to over here, remember, feel free to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Big up on yourself and make you jump right into it.
Never. Me and Alka fans. I'm not to get Alka in props. That's the youth that never strong and give up.
Give up. And look here,
give up.
me go concur with that conversation.
Listen to me. You do it for the moon. And I like to back a man like this. I all of them against the youth. You do it for the, and I tell you too. Bounty first the brata. Bounty come my first man and say, Ingi girl brata. And enough man remember that.
I mean the girl them after. We get another one I still want brata.
Yes, alright. Sing first thing about brata. Come on, remember.
Yeah! Not even him remember that. Not even him remember that.
Like you don't remember.
You know, so when I listen to Devra Brat DJ in Vice, you see? And you listen to Cartel. This is why Cartel can't stand Devra Brat, you know.
Yeah, man.
A blood clot Devra Brat Vice Cartel thief, you know.
Alright, so Silk Boss made this post to his IG page. As you can see on the screen, it says, "Punk chill, you love chat, you love kill, hashtag thought." So Silk Boss had dropped some posts on his IG page where it kind of seems shady, like him had this somebody under quiet. And remember when him drop, like him remind the fans them of this song that he used on this Joshy, Last Nation, and now, you know? Yeah, so a bit things are going on under the quiet, and it seems like Silk Boss had diss up some people. You see me? So viewers, just leave a take down in the comment section.
Bounty killer. Yeah. Big up yourself, but may I tell you something? It's when it come on to Mavado and Foota hype. You see, anytime you talk about them two youth there, you're supposed to talk about them and the name with respect. See? Enough people don't know the truth, but you know the truth. Firstly, we could talk about Mavado. You see, if I never from Mavado, Alliance would be no more. You see, a legacy where you can boast about Alliance, if I never from Mavado, that would have rub out. See? I know the little overzealous fans them are run out and come talk shit, but may I tell you facts. It's when Vibes Cartel left the Alliance and start bus shot over there. The whole under the free. All your killer you the free like post. And you take 2 years to respond to Vibes Cartel. Mavado was the youngest artist in the camp at that time. Mavado just bus. And Mavado single-handedly take on Adi. Nobody never expects that Mavado could have a toe-to-toe with a Vibes Cartel. Mavado did just bus. Maybe never ever have 10 songs good yet. See? And the man take on Addy, tune for tune right up, then the man go sting, and when the night done, them say him win the clash. Remember say, you know, right through when Cartel has style Mavado, you know, every opportunity him get him style, you know, killer. And you never answer, you know. Even when the man go up on stage and sting, Mavado have to say to the man, say, oh, stop call the damn name, and me and you war. And remember before the clash there, killer, the same night, remember you the word that thing then. The same night, you go up on the stage before the clash. And instead of you endorse Mavado and the gully, you say, boy, I'm too pick them a war later. Eh? You never get the man no strength in the war. See? And it's Mavado bravery that saved the Alliance. And when I just said that because I rate gully, that's a fact. When Cartel left and this, everybody, you, Wayne Marshall, Bling Dog, everybody I get cuffed up. And every man quiet. Mavado alone. And out of the whole town, he was the youngest artist, never have no experience. People not even realize how great Mavado was in that war, you know? The man there war with a top-notch lyricist. Remember, so Vibes Cartel clashed on stage before that, and the Vibes Cartel been a clash with Gringo them or when him young. In the up on the stage with Ninja Man and War. You get me? So Vibes Cartel was far more experienced. And Mavado take it on and prove himself, and that make him name in a dancehall. And I want them use and teach them about melody. So yo, gangster can have melody too. Mavado saved the alliance. History cannot rewrite. Next thing now, Foota hype. You see that youth there? When in the inner alliance, him was the official alliance selector. Anyway, Foota hype go, him a endorse alliance and a this against alliance. See? Tony matter on the radio, yeah, him DJ. But him nah these people for you. Foota hype, he go all over Jamaica, enough place mo go Foota hype a play. See? Remember, you know, Foota hype keep a party already and Beanie Man turn up there. And Foota hype tell the security them, right, whoever they at the gate, I'm not think of the security. Don't let him Beanie Man. That was how loyal the man was to the thing. See? Foota hype is the alliance selector. There's no other selector who straight out disrespect anybody when I say alliance. Foota hype normally do that. So you see people when you see Foota hype come on the media every minute I chat about them no loyal and right. I know no joke. I know no joke. Them time the Beanie Man and my DJ. And I can tell you straight, Foota hype was the most loyal selector to Bounty Killer. Every selector they rate him and them say, yeah, Killer the general and thing, but Foota hype they push badness with it. When I say badness, I mean musical badness. Everywhere we go. Alright, I'll show you a brief. One day when the music keep one weekly event, I think it was Bembe. I think I did Bembe Thursday. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. See, I did Foota hype them place. Foota hype and Boom Boom them. I did for them place. Remember I go out there with two of my brethren them with a DJ. But them no boss yet. See? So you know it go them time they know. You know boss yet, so you call some man name for boss. So them youth know they have some song where them are Disrupt Flex and Mavado them are Ray. You see me? Right out of Bembe, I think we used to keep. A Constant Spring Road they used to keep. Yeah. So the man them there are DJ, like they have some, like where they have Hype TV and so. Remember who they are on the place them time. So the camera come now and the man them are DJ. And I Disrupt Mavado, Flex and some other gully side artists. Out of nowhere, here comes Foota hype. The man never ever have an entourage, people. The man never even have an entourage. Them time them being him, they have a whole heap of weight. And him hear enough. So the man step out and I say, yo, I won't do it. So one dancer you did that with me. One dancer you did that with me. I think that is Sadiq him name, you see me? Dancer you did it. Him and Foota hype a bridging. So Foota step over and I say, yo, won't I deal with like him a bad up the thing. So the youth man say, him you know I deal with the music we I deal with man and you see me and nothing personal and thing. And Foota say, oh, I just music and I pray them and Sadiq I say, yeah man, I just music man, them not nothing personal, very. Just to show you, the man them never even call Foota hype name. Them are this Mavado and Flex them. And Foota here, I figure say somebody go tell him. Can never they pay attention to them like you they are DJ for one camera. And outside of the venue them there. You see me? That was how that nigga used to roll. No joke.
So big up my viewers and big up my subs. Just leave on a take down in the comment section. And as always, catch you in another one.